In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refresh Google Finance data in Google Sheets. If your stock prices or financial data aren't updating as often as you'd like, don't worry, there's an easy fix. I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure you're signed in to your Google account on Google Finance. This helps keep your data synced properly and reduces the chances of outdated or incorrect information. Just open Google Finance in your browser and check that you're logged in. Next, switch over to your Google Sheet where you're using the Google Finance function. If your sheet isn't open yet, go ahead and open it now. Before we change any settings, make a small edit in the sheet. Click on any empty cell, type something simple like test, and press enter. This step might seem small, but it helps trigger activity so you can confirm that updates are working properly. Now, go to the top left corner and click on File, then select Settings. A new window will open. From there, click on the Calculation tab. This is where the magic happens. Under Recalculation Settings, you'll see a few options. By default, it's usually set to update only when changes are made. To make your data refresh automatically, change it to On Change and Every Minute. This tells Google Sheets to update your formulas not only when you edit something, but also automatically every minute while the sheet is open. Once you've selected that option, click Save Settings. And that's it. Your Google Finance data should now refresh much more frequently without you needing to reload the page. Just keep in mind a few important things. First, your spreadsheet needs to stay open in your browser for automatic updates to continue. If you close it, the updates will pause. Second, some delays are normal depending on market hours and the data source. And finally, this setting only applies to the current spreadsheet. So if you use multiple sheets, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. To make sure everything is working, watch one of your stock price cells for a minute or two. You should see it update automatically. Or you can make another small edit in the sheet to trigger an instant refresh. So just to quickly recap, sign in to Google Finance, open your sheet, make a small edit, go to File, Settings, Calculation, and set it to update every minute. That's all you need to keep your data fresh and up to date. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials on Google Tools and Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.